Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your Twitter account to Node Wars and earn 100 coin easily. So let's get started. We're gonna open our Node Wars. This is our Node Wars. Once you open your Node Wars, you need to come to your profile here. Once you click on your profile, you're gonna see link your Twitter account. Click on connect. Okay, so we're gonna link our Twitter account to our Node Wars easily to get our 100 coin points. You can see, click on authorize app. Okay, and we have successfully connected. Now let's wait for it. We're gonna claim our 100 coin easily now. Let's wait for it. Okay. Alright guys, let's wait for it. What is happening? Okay, so maybe it's network. So let's get there and see if we have connected. Okay, it's supposed to have go. So I think it's network. So I'm clicking now. Start again. It's been authorizing. Just click on authorize app. It says authorize. Okay, login. Okay. Okay, sorry for that, guys. So this thing now, I did not want it to waste much of our time here. So you can see once it has logged in, it's going to connect. Just go there, connect your, or go and claim your coin, and that is it. So I'm going to go and claim my coin. I'm going to show you later on one of our video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.